Hey everybody, welcome back to How to Escape. This is Ra Rena, and today I'm doing a quick follow-up to the last video we posted weeks back regarding the shift cable bushing on our 2013 and up Ford Escapes. Everyone's been getting the 22 S43 recall notices in the mail from Ford, and it's no surprise because 2.9 million vehicles are affected by this, as reported by the NHTSA. I wanted to get everything in one place. There's been a ton of postings on Facebook and in the forums, and some people are kind of tired of hearing about it, but I did some research because there are people that are still asking questions about it and just wanted to be thorough. So in this video, we're going to be talking specifically about which vehicles are affected, when Ford plans on rolling out this change, when new parts are going to be available to you, and what you can do in the meantime to replace your shifter cable bushing if it has failed or is about to fail. So let's do all that before it detaches from your transmission. Let's get started. So let's start by talking about which vehicles are affected. So just as a refresher, the issue here is when you shift the lever, the cable that comes from the lever and connects to your transmission can come off if the bushing in between those pieces fails. And you may think that your car is in park or in drive, and it will not be because it won't have changed gears. This can result in the car moving when you think it's going to be stopped, or not be able to move when you want it to go. Now the Escape, the Fusion, the C-Max, the Transit Connect, and the Edge, for all of these build dates, are affected by this recall. In specific, these are the vehicles with the 1.5 liter, 1.6 liter, 2 liter, and 2.5 liter engines with the 6F35 automatic transmission. In case you didn't catch that last visual, 1.7 million of the 2.9 million cars recalled are Ford Escapes. Now, when is Ford going to be taking care of this? According to Ford documentation, they expect to be releasing the resolution to handle all these vehicles fourth quarter in 2022. When I followed up with my local dealers, they could not confirm this, but we should still be able to find a solution in the meantime, as it's 6 months out. And Car and Driver also had an article saying that Ford was going to be issuing a protective cap or covering over the shift cable bushing. My dealer couldn't confirm this, so we'll have to see. So what can we do now that we're waiting? If you have not already, we'd highly recommend you check out a tutorial linked below and above on how to get out the airbox to look at your bushing situation. And if it's failed, we'd recommend replacing it, even with the existing part, even though there's a recall on it, because it will likely still get you through 6 months until Ford has the proposed solution at the end of the year. So out of the 3 kits that we featured last time, we're going to show them again here. In the top left is a Dorman F-150 kit that we used on our Escape because we needed it in a pinch and it worked. The bottom left is a third-party solution, and the right is the actual Ford part number listed on TASCA. It's super cheap. All links are listed below. Wraps up our quick synopsis on the update for the 22 S43 recall for the 6F35 transmission in our Escapes, as well as other vehicles. If you have any more questions below, put them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Really check out that other tutorial video on how to get in there step by step. All the steps are there. Again, we have the links below in the description for the other parts that we've mentioned in here. And if you thought this was helpful, got you out of a pinch, give us a like, share, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to go the extra mile to support us, there's the super thanks little heart shape under the video here. Every little bit goes to support this channel. We really appreciate you sticking with us and hope that this has helped you. Thanks a lot for watching How to Escape. We'll see you next time.